and welcome to the Ingram Micro Managed Print Services. My name is Adam, and in today's video, we'll go over the post-quote process and what you'll need to do after your customer has signed the contract.
First, make sure that you are signed in as your admin account, and then click on Process Contract on the left. Here you will see your current signed contract from your customer. Go ahead and click on the customer's name. Make sure that the DCA contact and email address is correct on the right, as accepting this contract will trigger and send out the install information to this person. So in this case, we will go ahead and change this to accepted and click on Save. All right, you can see that the DCA was successfully sent out. So the next step is going to installation products and filling out some installation information about the customer. We'll go ahead and click here. First, click the box next to the customer's name and fill out the information here. Once you have that filled out, go ahead and click on OK. Next thing will be add address, location, and preferred name for the device. So we're going to click on that and add address. If there is multiple locations, you can click on that and add them to specific devices. We'll do main office for the location and preferred office printer. And once you have all this information in, go ahead and click on Email Installation Info on the right-hand side. Once the DCA in the printer has been installed at the customer's location, you'll come back out and click on Show Serial Number and select the serial number for this device. And once you have done that, you can click on Ready to Process and you are all set. If you have any questions at all, please contact us at MPS orders@ingrammicro.com. Thank you and have a great day.